One of the only courts in the nation that deals with children on the autism spectrum is right here in Clark County.
Fox 5's Alexandra De Leon got a chance to sit in a session and see what an impact it's making to help get kids out of the juvenile system. She's live in the newsroom.
And the Detention Alternative for Autistic Youth program helps those that are on the spectrum get out of the juvenile system so they don't become adult offenders. Day Court is the only court in the nation that focuses on the needs of those with autism.
Day Court is unlike any other juvenile court we have in the nation.
Most of the youth that we see either have domestic violence battery charges, or battery on a school teacher or school employee charges.
Judge Bailey started this program a year ago. She noticed a number of kids coming through the system on the autism spectrum not getting the proper help or resources they needed in the state.
When we started noticing that youth on the spectrum were coming in, we wanted to provide those same services to help them as well.
When a child gets in trouble, the process begins with a probation officer. They get screened by them, and the officer sees if they're on the spectrum. If they are, they're sent to day.
And because these kids are coming here, they're getting evaluations that they never would have been able to get before through the school district, or for a parent to even seek because of the waiting list for, obviously for the autism services that we do not have in this state.
For many families, the assessment process is usually the toughest part. Normally without Day, it takes 6 to 12 months.
So we immediately get them into that assessment process within 2 to 3 months. We get the results, then we're able to use those in order to get them into the adequate programs.
Day is able to provide over a dozen services like feet to families for free.
It's not like they're going to get convicted to go to jail. They're going to get help and support when they pass through that court.
And during these court hearings, they're really picking and choosing what really benefit that child and family.
Judge Bailey tells me early intervention is key. Not only does she have a daughter on the spectrum, but she hopes families get the help and answers they need for their child.
There's a lot of organizations out there that can provide that hope. The key is to make sure that you ask for them and just start asking questions.
And since Day began a year ago, over 25 kids are in the program, and 8 of those kids have graduated. In the studio, Alexandra De Leon, Fox 5 News, Local, Las Vegas.